Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Review meeting on 10 gigawatt renewable energy project at Leh. Convergence Energy Services Limited 1 lakh electric vehicle tender update. Updates related to solar projects and tenders. Coming to the details. Union Minister for Power and Ministry of New and Renewable Energy Shri R.K. Singh reviewed the implementation of 10 gigawatt renewable energy projects along with evacuation plan. Recollecting the announcement of Honorable Prime Minister to set up 7.5 gigawatt of solar park in Ladakh, subsequently enhanced to 10 gigawatt. Power Minister sought support from Honorable Lieutenant Governor Ladakh to sort out the land issues in setting up of 10 gigawatt of renewable energy project in Ladakh. It identified areas of Pang. The required transmission system along with the battery energy storage system for providing round-the-clock power was also reviewed. 20,000 acres of land at Pang would be provided immediately by UT of Ladakh for setting up of renewable energy park, while availability of other 20,000 acres of land at Pang would be explored based on the inputs provided by Solar Energy Corporation of India. Union Territory of Ladakh will receive revenue per annum on the account of leasing of the land allocated for setting up of renewable energy project. 5 gigawatt of transmission link from Pang of Leh to Kaithal of Haryana along with 12 gigawatt hour of battery energy storage will provide 76% utilization of transmission capacity and would evacuate 13 gigawatt of renewable energy generation, 9 gigawatt solar and 4 gigawatt wind. The transmission link should be completed within 5 years. Out of 12 gigawatt battery energy storage, about 1 to 2 gigawatt hour will be developed as a part of transmission element to keep the line charged during the period of no generation, while the remaining battery energy storage could be developed as a part of generation element. Power Grid would revise the DPR for setting up a 5 gigawatt transmission link, including 2 gigawatt hour of battery energy storage and AC system, strengthening in Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir to provide renewable energy power within Ladakh and also to Jammu and Kashmir. 6 companies have been shortlisted by Convergence Energy Services Limited under its 1 lakh electric vehicle tender. Mahindra Electric Mobility, TVS Motor Company, Kinetic Green Energy and Power Solutions, Etrio, Mali and Keto Motors Private Limited submitted the lowest bids for tender for three-wheeler electric vehicles. The L1 of the lowest price bid of 3,06,691 rupees per three-wheeler passenger vehicle was matched by each of the 6 companies. The L1 price is 20% lower than the existing price for three-wheeler vehicles. For goods carrying vehicles, the L1 price was set at 3,20,322 rupees, a full 15% lower than the market rate for the same category of vehicles. In total, 21 companies had applied for the tender, including 8 MSMEs. Out of the 21 bids, only 12 were eligible and then considered further. CESL company plans to lease 50,000 of vehicles and sell other 50,000 through its online platform. CESL also plans to introduce 3 lakh electric three-wheelers and 2 lakh electric two-wheelers in India. The company had also announced a grand challenge for deployment of e-buses in 9 cities in India. The Jammu and Kashmir Energy Development Agency has invited bids for design, supply and installation and commissioning of a 12 megawatt of grid-connected rooftop solar projects under the capital expenditure model on government buildings in Jammu region. The successful bidder will also have to take care of operation and maintenance activities of the project for 5 years. The last date to submit the bids is December 7, 2021. Bids will be opened on the same day. Avada Green HN Project Private, a special purpose vehicle of Avada Energy, had filed a petition to Haryana Electricity Regulatory Commission to determine the tariff for a 50 megawatt solar project in Haryana's Sirsa district. The commission had approved Haryana Power Purchase Center procurement of 50 megawatt of solar power from Avada Green HN project for 25 years at a levelized tariff of 2 rupees 86 paisa per unit. KPI Global Infrastructure Limited has bagged an order for executing solar power project of 2.6 megawatt to cumulative capacity from Manish Packaging Private Limited 1.4 megawatt and Revival Paper Mills Private Limited 1.2 megawatt, clients under captive power producer segment of the company. Additional news today. 68 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 78.5 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 8 days. PTC has won consultancy assignments on project management and impact assessment of energy efficiency projects for Belgavi Smart City Limited and Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Informa Markets in India has announced the fifth edition of RenewX, a two-day renewable energy trade expo slated on November 19th and 20th of 2021 at Hitex, Hyderabad. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 159.47 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 1 rupee 75 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 86 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 22 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 7 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 32 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 3.41 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 3 rupees 77 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.